Before we begin, this video is general health education, not personal medical advice. This isn't medical advice, it's general education about aging skin. We'll explore natural changes like dryness or texture shifts that happen to everyone differently, and ways to support your skin without products. Always consult a doctor for personalized guidance. In your 20s, skin is strong and resilient. Collagen, like a supportive net, keeps it firm. Tiny cells called fibroblasts produce this collagen deep in the skin. Meanwhile, the outer layer renews every 28 days, protecting against irritants. Sun exposure can weaken the structure over time, so sunscreen helps shield it. As you enter your 30s, your skin begins to show subtle signs of aging. Collagen production slows down, which can lead to less firmness and elasticity over time. This happens because the fibroblasts that produce collagen become less active. Additionally, cell turnover, where your skin sheds old cells and replaces them with new ones, takes longer, often stretching out to 28 to 35 days instead of the faster rate in your 20s. Your skin barrier may also weaken slightly, affecting how well it retains moisture or protects against irritants. These changes are natural and vary from person to person. Supporting your skin's health through balanced nutrition, hydration, and sun protection can help maintain its resilience without relying on products. Your skin isn't just aging because of time, it's also reacting to your lifestyle choices. Sun exposure is a big one. UV rays can damage the collagen in your skin, making it less firm over time. Smoking, poor diet, and high stress levels can also speed up aging by reducing blood flow or increasing inflammation. On the flip side, staying hydrated, eating nutrient-rich foods like fruits and vegetables, and managing stress can support your skin's health without relying on products. Wrinkles aren't just from sun damage, they're influenced by genetics, lifestyle, and even stress. While UV rays break down collagen, a protein that keeps skin firm, smoking or poor sleep can also speed up aging by reducing blood flow or causing inflammation. The good news? Hydration, balanced meals, and protecting your skin from the sun support healthy aging without relying on products. Your skin changes with age, but small daily habits can help it stay healthier longer. Hydration keeps your skin plump and resilient. Think water-rich fruits like cucumbers or oranges. A diet packed with colorful veggies delivers antioxidants that fight inflammation. And sun protection isn't just about sunscreen. Wearing a wide-brimmed hat or seeking shade also shields your skin from UV damage. These steps support your skin's natural resilience without relying on products. Even with a strong routine, some skin changes may need expert care. If dryness or texture issues don't improve, a doctor or dermatologist can help without relying on products. They'll check for underlying conditions, like allergies, that might be affecting your skin and provide personalized guidance. It's not about self-diagnosis. It's about ensuring your skin gets the best support possible with professional advice. Science is still learning how aging affects our skin beyond UV rays. We know caffeine or sugar might play a role, but long-term studies are needed. If your skin feels dry or changes texture despite hydration or diet tweaks, consult a healthcare provider. They'll ask about when symptoms started or what worsens them, helping you get personalized advice without relying on products. When your skin changes feel deeper than just aging, it's time to focus on your whole well-being, not just products. Stress, poor sleep, or even mental health can show up on your skin first. For example, chronic stress may trigger breakouts or sensitivity, while lack of sleep can make your skin look dull or uneven. These aren't just skin issues, they're signals from your body that need attention. If you notice changes that don't improve with hydration or diet, a healthcare provider can help. They'll ask about your symptoms, like when they started or what makes them worse, to guide personalized support without relying on products. This isn't about diagnosing yourself, but ensuring your skin gets the best care possible. If you've ever wondered about over-the-counter OTC products for skin changes, it's important to know they can be safe and effective when used correctly. OTC medicines are drugs you can buy without a prescription, like those for pain or allergies. In the U.S., the FDA decides if they're safe and effective enough for public use. Always follow the instructions on the label. If you're unsure, ask a pharmacist or healthcare provider. These products can help manage recurring issues, but they're not a substitute for professional advice when symptoms feel deeper or more complex. Collagen is a protein that acts like a supportive framework for your skin, keeping it firm and elastic. As we age, our bodies produce less collagen, which leads to wrinkles and sagging. However, certain lifestyle choices, like getting enough sleep, staying hydrated, and eating foods rich in vitamins C and E, such as fruits and vegetables, can help support collagen production. While these habits are beneficial, they shouldn't replace professional medical advice if you notice significant changes in your skin. Aging changes your skin by reducing collagen, which weakens its structure and elasticity over time. While this is a natural process, small lifestyle adjustments can support skin health. Prioritize sleep, hydration, and a balanced diet rich in vitamin C and E to help maintain collagen levels. Always communicate openly with healthcare providers about any concerns. Preparing lists of symptoms or questions ensures you make the most of your appointments. These steps aren't cures but can complement standard care for long-term benefits. This explainer is for educational purposes only and does not provide medical advice. Aging naturally affects your skin by reducing collagen, a protein that keeps it strong and elastic, leading to wrinkles or sagging over time. Lifestyle choices like staying hydrated, eating nutrient-rich foods, e.g., vitamin C and E, and getting enough sleep may support skin health but are not substitutes for professional care. Always consult healthcare providers for personalized guidance, especially if you have concerns about your skin or overall health. They can help you navigate risks and benefits of treatments while ensuring you receive evidence-based, safe, and effective care. Remember, this is general health education, not personal medical advice. For individual guidance,